Hi, here I have a 39-inch Philips TV. So the problem with this TV is the screen is cracked. So the existing screen is here. So this one is the existing screen for this TV. So I take out. So this TV is using a Panda panel, Panda 385. So here there's a crack. If you see here, there's a circle here. The screen is black, but here there's a gray color. Here gray, here gray. So there's a crack here, but I cannot really see. But there's a round here. So this is the damage on the screen. So this one is a HD, high definition. So by looking at this corner here, okay, there's a fuse, and the fuse here connect to this pin here, 1 2 3 4. So 4 is a power, 12 volt, and then there's a ground, and then here there's a dot, there's a 5 pair. This is for the data. It's a high definition data, and high definition is using 30 pin, 30 or 32. So the 32 means 2 for ground. This corner is ground, and then other will be signal, ground, and power. So to replace this screen, I take another screen from a 40-inch China TV. The TV got no brand, but the screen is similar. This one is the screen. This one not sure what is the brand. So it's a similar screen, and the connection is same, means this side got fuse. It's a 32 pin, 2 for the ground, and then here the input 12 volt ground, and then there's a 5 pair of data line, which is the white and blue. So there's a 5 white, 5 blue, so it's same type. And I plug in the screen, and after turn on the TV, the screen is working good. So I just turn on the TV. So the red light is turning on. Here the Philips logo come. So after replacement, the screen is working good.